It is Thursday afternoon and you are running from class to class delivering popsicle sticks. At the second grade class you entered, they ask you for the modeling clay to create their miniature Native American canoes. How do you forget the modeling clay? Your brain is swirling, you're trying to find an alternative. Construction paper will have to do. Is this an experience that you are familiar with? Welcome to another Consult for Kids 3-Minute Mini. This is Organizing the Routine with me, Audrey Glenn. Check out these quick tips to organize your routine, meaning you get all of your shopping done and even your emails answered without driving yourself crazy or around town for hours. 1. Create a weekly schedule. 2. Plan time into your schedule for often forgotten tasks. And 3. Align due dates with your schedule. Create a weekly schedule. To begin, print out the weekly time block schedule that you can find for free on our Consult for Kids website. Just click on the free materials button under the quick links. This table will help you break down your week into hour-long blocks. Start by marking off the time that you have reoccurring events. For example, do you have a staff meeting every Thursday morning? Do you have a standing meeting with your principal for an hour every Friday morning? Once you have determined and blocked off your reoccurring events, think about the things that you do each week. Do you need to shop for supplies? Carve out realistic chunks of time each week for shopping only. For example, maybe your schedule indicates that you shop for the program materials for each week on Mondays from 10 a.m. till noon. Blocking off these reoccurring events will help organize your routine and make things more systematic. Plan time into your schedule for often forgotten tasks. Did you know that many people do not plan their allotted lunchtime into their schedule? Don't let yourself be one of them. Your program and your students need you to be fully operational. This means you will need to stay healthy and fed. Of course, there will be times that things pop up and you have to squeeze in lunch, but plug it into your weekly schedule anyways. Other often forgotten tasks that slip away from people are administrative. Block off time checks to answer emails, return phone calls, and prepare any reports that need to be completed. Blocking off this time will ensure that you get these items done and help to organize your routine. Align dates with your schedule. This is the point when your schedule will either help you or hurt you. Make sure that you plan your administrative time block before the dates that they are due. If you are shopping on Monday morning, make it a requirement that your program leaders turn in their supply list the Thursday prior. Further organize your routine by listing supplies by store and plotting out the most time-efficient route you can take to each store. Delegate responsibilities such as unpacking, storage, or separation of the supplies to staff, volunteers, or youth. Organizing your routine will help you limit the hustle and bustle of your work days and will help to ensure everything is done in a timely manner. To review: 1. Create a weekly schedule. 2. Plan time in your schedule for often forgotten tasks. And 3. Align due dates with your schedule. Thank you for watching another Consult for Kids 3-Minute Mini. Educational services for after school. As we mentioned in this mini, free materials are available on our website. Go to www.consultforkids.com and click on the free materials icon in our quick links.